standing here before you. I am very glad today. I would like to thank Mr. Yasin sir who gave me this beautiful opportunity to speak. It's my maiden speech. I want to deliver my brief introduction at this fantastic moment. My name is MD Irfan Alam. I belong to Thakuran Beach Falls, Kishanganj. As for my academic qualification, I am the student of the inter first year. My hobby include reading, playing, and reading. I want to become an IAS officer. That's all. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am standing here before you. I am very glad today. I would like to thank Mr. Yasin sir who gave me this beautiful opportunity to speak me. It's my maiden speech. I want to deliver my brief introduction. My name is Ahmed Kumar. Sir. To speak. It's my maiden speech. I want to deliver my brief introduction at this fantastic moment. My name is Ahmed Kumar. I belong to Thakurganj, which falls in Kishanganj in Bihar. As for my academic qualification, I am the student of inter second year. My hobby includes playing, reading, and learning etc. I want to become a doctor. That's all. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am standing here before you. I am very glad today. I would like to thank Mr. Yasin sir to give me this beautiful opportunity to speak. It's my maiden speech. I want to deliver my brief introduction at this fantastic moment. I belong to Thakuran Beach Falls in Kishanganj. My name is Sami Alam. As for academic qualification, I am the student first years, BSc first years. That's all thing.
Hello friends, I am standing here before you. I am very glad today. I would like to thank Mr. Yasin sir who gave me this beautiful opportunity to speak. It's my maiden speech. It's my maiden speech. I want to deliver my brave introduction at this fantastic moment. My name is Vishnu Chaudhary. I belong to Thakuran which falls in Kishanganj in Bihar. As per my academic qualification, I am the student of BA second semester with history honors. I am 18 years old and my hobby includes reading, writing, and learning AI, chat, and GPT, and playing cricket. I want to become an IAS officer. That's all.
Sir,
शुरू हो गया है.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम सर. हम नहीं बोल पाएंगे.
कॉपी देख करके ही आप बोल रहे हैं. चलिए जैसे बोल रहे हैं
सर
कॉपी
ऐसे ही आ जाएगा सर. हम नहीं बोल पाएंगे.
कॉपी देख के पढ़ने में क्या दिक्कत है?
सर हम
कॉपी
नहीं हो पाएगा सर.
कॉपी देख करके प्रैक्टिस किया आपने?
सर हम प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं की.
प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं की है.
आज नहीं किए सर. मतलब हम यहाँ नहीं थे सर. शादी में गए.
कैमरा पे बोलिए कि आप कब सुना रहे हैं इसको.
कल सुनेंगे सर पक्का.
पक्का?
जी सर.
प्रॉमिस?
जी सर.
Where do you belong to?
I belong to Karagola.
What's your favorite thing?
Actually, there are so many favorite things, but if you ask me about eating or playing games and sports, then I would like to tell you that my favorite dish, I would like to have simple dishes, simple rice, pulse, vegetables, green leafy vegetables, and salads. And if you ask me my favorite drink, I don't like. I just like drinking water. And as far as cold drinks are concerned, I just hate it. I don't like that.
What do you want to do?
Just presently, as you know that I have been teaching, and presently I am in the service of teaching. I just guide the students, I just motivate the students. That's the work of mine. Next question. That's all.
That's all. Thank you.
Where have you done your graduation from?
I have done my graduation from Bhagalpur.
What was the purpose for teaching?
Just as you know that I like teaching. I have been a student. I had been an aspirant for civil services. That's why I like teaching. I like students. This is my profession, and just I enjoy it. I love it. I love teaching.
Which standard do you teach?
All types of students, more than standard 6th up to master degree. Any type of student can take tuition.
Thank you.
Which school do you teach in Thakurganj?
Don't ask me. Just next question. It won't be better.
Which book do you like most?
I like religious books and English novels, English literature, current affair. These are my favorites.
Which school did you pass your matriculation from?
I just passed my matriculation from Jageshwar High School, Karakolam.
Thank you.
Since when have you been teaching?
I have been teaching since 2007. Actually, I started teaching since 2002.
What is your dream?
My aim,
Yes.
just I want to be in the service of humanity. I want to guide the students. As you know that my profession is teaching, and that's why I just want to motivate the students and want to guide the students, want to just make awareness in the society. I want to educate the children of the society. These are some duties that I want to do the best.
What do you want to do in the spare time?
I like to walk. Sometimes if I have spare time, I just go for running. But presently, for some time, I have not been able to run. But I like outings. I like to go to the field. I like to walk briskly. Sometimes I want to see the movie in the theater. But unfortunately, I have not been in the theater for the last few years because of my serious training, rigorous training, and my self preparation. Just I like walking and running especially.
What is your age?
Is I have crossed 35.
How do you like having?
Thakurganj, it was not in my mind that there is something like Thakurganj. But when I came to Thakurganj, I just found that it's an inferior area if we compare between Thakurganj and Katihar. But the weather is really good, that attracts me. The temperature is mostly down here, and communication is a bit okay because I am very close to the railway station, and that's why it attracts me. There is a neat and clean environment. People are very meek, calm, cool, and they are very cooperative. These are the some things that attract me a lot. Just I'm enjoying Thakurganj. Yeah.
What do you do besides teaching?
Mostly I like to teach, but I want to help my parents. I help my parents. I have my family. Just I cooperate my family members, and I want to go here and there for some entertainment purpose. Mostly I teach, but if I have spare time, I want to be with the family. I want to spare the rest of my time with the family members and in the society that I belong to. Yeah. Next question.
No, sir.
Thank you very much.